How to change Squarespace template. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Squarespace template. So in order to change your Squarespace template, just follow all these steps that I'm going to tell you right now. First of all, just being straightforward that it is not possible to mix and match features from more than one template. You can repeat this process to install as many different templates as you want to, but you can only install one of each template. So first of all, just prepare the layout changes and list down the things that you want to change in your previous template to the new one before you switch your template. And after that, just install a new template. Open the design panel and just click on template and click on install new template and browse the available templates and select and pick whatever you want to take out, and just go through the templates and just select the one you like the most according to your need. And after that, just preview the template and just go through the main navigation, load and demo content on the template that you are choosing and all that. And after that, just move the pages. To start editing your site in preview mode, open the page panel and remove the demo content and move your page from the not link section to the other navigation area, and visitor won't see the changes until you publish the templates. And after that, just see the style of the template. Use the site style to edit the template design, include the font, color, background and link. Each template has its own styling options, so one of the option will be different from your previous template. Visitor won't be able to see until you publish the template, so don't worry about that. And after that, if you like the template that you are going to change, just go ahead and publish the template. After that, just click on confirm. The warning message that appears, and there you go. This is how you will be able to change your Squarespace template. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.